here's another shingle close to the ridge there. And on this one, it's not that one that's damaged above, but it's the bottom one. So I'm gonna pull that one out, but you'll see this is sealed right now, okay? This is sealed, the ridge is sealed, but I have to get way up here to take this one out. So let's see what kind of damage that will cause. Let me find the line. So the line's right here. It goes 1, 2, 3. Actually, so these are 2 shingles. So 1, 2. This shingle's damaged, this shingle's damaged. But I'm gonna go ahead and repair this one on the left side. Or attempt to at least. Gotta get in there. Just by getting in there. 2, 3. Okay, so because the shingle comes over here under this, I gotta lift all this up. Here's in the shingle, got that nail out. Got that nail out. Okay, so trying to repair this one. It's gonna be the same thing. It goes all the way up to the ridge. Ah, man. All right, so again, this shingle here goes all the way inside. So I have to lift all that up as I showed you over there. I'm just gonna go ahead and leave it for now. We'll show you a different one that's not near the ridge. I don't want to damage the ridge further. Okay, don't want to damage the client's home further because it's just not going to be able to be repaired. It has to be replaced. All right, Jordan, so here's this one here I'm going to replace, okay? 1, 2, 3. So this one's damaged here. So this one's damaged here and here, so that's 1, 2, 3. So here's the actual shingle that we gotta replace. It's this one right above, right? So to do that, I gotta get in here, break the seal on this one. Break the seal on that to be able. And as I'm doing that, this is ripping already. Okay, so now that shingle's damaged. To be able to replace this one shingle. You can see the damage it's causing just an attempt to replace this one shingle or damaging all the other shingles around it that are connected to it. Now this shingle is the one that's damaged, but because I have to pull out the nail that also holds that shingle down, this one is getting damaged. So the nails are what they're supposed to be on the bottom. Shingle right there. So here we go. Just like that, just come up. So I'm gonna put a nail there so that one damaged, they're ripped. So take this guy here, put it in there. Make sure it's Oh, there's the nail here. So we got a crease on this one. This one is pretty much almost ripped. So then we fix this shingle down here. Shingles here. So it's ripped, losing a lot of granules. These are just no longer sealed. So that's why repairs don't work. It's because yeah, we replaced this one, but all these around got damaged, and that pattern will continue. So now these gotta be replaced, right? When I replace that, that one's gotta be replaced. This is something that cannot be warranted.